Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, and today I want to bring you something really fun and something you can use in your junk journals as well. Funlavie reached out to me and asked if I would like to review their colored pencils, and I said sure, because we all use colored pencils in our junk journals at some point, and it's good to know which ones you may or may not want to use. Now, they sent me, this is the package of 48. These are out because I've been coloring a picture and I want to keep them separate and outside of the box or the tube, so I know which ones that, I've been working on with the image, so I don't lose them inside here. So this is what it looks like on the inside when you open it up. So you've got your pencils, and I was pleasantly surprised that there was a free pencil sharpener inside. I had no idea. I opened it up and it came right out because it sits right on top of here, and boom, there you go. Free pencil sharpener. Okay. So I would like to say that I really like these pencils. The colors are good on the ends as far as what the color of the pencil is. I don't know about you guys, but I've gotten ones, and the color on the end is not really the color of the core of the pencil. These are what I call hardcore pencils, as far as these are more like pencils that you would write with than the soft core pencils, which are crayon like. Okay, so I like these. They're pretty cool. They also sent me a coloring book, I guess you would call it. This is the size of a good size calendar, and it's spiral bound on the top, so you can open it all the way. And it's called Colorful Creatures, A Journey Through Animal Patterns, and it's full of animal mandala pictures. This is volume 1, so I'm assuming there's more volumes. Here's some of the pictures. Let's see if I can do this. So here's an elephant. I'm going to just skip through like a few at a time. Here's a wolf. These are really cool. They're really fun to color on. Now, most of you know that I'm having surgery on my arm in about a month. I've got nerve damage in my elbow. So, let me show you one more. There's this rhino one. It's pretty cool. So, I wasn't able to color a complete image, which I was going to do, but I got this much of this really cool owl done. Now, let me take the paper clip off now. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'll leave it on there for when I close it. Something I really liked about this book is that the pages are white on the back, so they're not back-to-back pictures, right? So they're white on the back, and then they are perforated at the top, so you can take your picture out after you've colored it and put it in a frame, or give it to someone, or put it up on your wall, or do whatever you like with it. So that's good, because I hate the ones that don't, because, well, then you can't take it out and give it to someone or put it on your wall or do whatever you want with it. And I really like the images. I apologize for the coloring job. Like I said, I'm having trouble with my hand, so but the pencils made it easier. So I'm going to I think I'm going to add a little bit of turquoise, and so you can see. Now, when you color with these, if you hold them to the side, what I like to do is I like to color with them super pointed when I'm doing small areas, but I like to turn the pencil sideways and get the softer look of the pencil, and then go back and color in the top or the bottom or the side to get the shading. Okay, so you're just going to come back in, and it looks really nice the second time you go over. As you can see, this side's better than this side. But you can do the shading really well, really easily. So that's nice. And yeah, so I really like these. Like I said, they're good for drawing or writing with, like as in writing in your journal in different colors, which is pretty handy. When you're making a journal, you can write in it for decoration. And anyway, so I think they're really great. I'm really glad they sent them to me, because now I have a really cool set of pencils, and I think you would like them. Now let me tell you a little bit about the pricing. For 24 pencils is $7.99, and 48 is $13.49, and 72 is $15.97, and they're available on Amazon. And as you guys know, all the links are going to be below the video, so that you can check them out. And it depends on the offer too. You know, sometimes things go on sale, and you know what I mean, the prices are a little bit different. But I think they're really cool, and I may go back excuse me, and get the 72 and have the extra colors, because these are great. I love this green for the eyes. You know, let me do this. The colors are not showing up as well on the camera as I would like, but the green in the eyes is really, really nice. So anyway, these are the colored pencil by Funlavie, and I highly recommend them if you're going to color in a coloring book, which this is an adult coloring book, and I really like it. I think that the images are large enough, and the spots within the images are big enough. I think that an older child, you know, not a little bitty one, but you know, one that can color within the lines, would find this easy to do as well. I don't think you would be restricted to just adults for this coloring book. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching this review / demonstration, and I will see you in the next one, or the next tutorial series, and or computer junk journal video. Okay, thanks a lot, and thank you to Funlavie for sending me these pencils. Bye bye.